Alright, we are here at the Courtyard by Marriott, St. Pete-Clearwater. We got a KONE mod here. Look at these sensors, they're pretty interesting. Alright, up to 3. What the hell? Look at this. They placed the indicator separate from the panel. Wow, this is weird. That's where the old indicator used to be. I am not sure what this was originally. I'm thinking a Montgomery, though. It's already wrong. This place just got totally renovated. This is an old 80s Courtyard with the 2 wings. Anyways, let's go back down. Yeah, look at that. Just look at the cab. It definitely looks recently redone. I do like the new carpet here. Anyways, here we are on 1. Back up to 3. And the buttons aren't ADA height either, which is interesting. Yeah, very weird mod. Like, I wonder why they didn't just integrate the indicator with the COP or just put it where the old one was, but it is what it is. It's sure made for an interesting elevator. Probably more interesting than it should be. Yeah, the door track, I can't quite tell if this was a Schindler RT or if this was a Mani, but hey, at least the mod's interesting. That is, I'm guessing, the original emergency light. There's the new one. Here we are on 1. I'm gonna send this one up and we'll listen to it from the outside. And there it goes, and that'll be it.